you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video, man. I'm glowing. My skin's glowing. I feel good right now, even though I don't feel good at the same time. But I'm happy that I'm back with another video. Like I told you, I love making videos, man. All right, let me calm down. My energy's like up here when I should be like right here. So I'm back with a wig review, another wig review. So this company is called WEQUEEN. I'm so excited to try this company. So they sent me their headband wig, and the color they sent me was 1B30/30, and it's 18 inches, and my coupon code will be right here. It's Queen20 to, you know, save some money, to save some coins. So this is the color. Let me see. This is the wig. Of course, it's in a net, so if y'all could see, it's in a net. And so it comes with the wig, duh, of course. It comes with, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 headbands. Let me show you. So they sent a brown one. You know, this is the first company that gave me neutral color headbands that can go with anything, because like this brown can go with like literally anything. You know the wigs, the headbands that people send, like they're nice, but like you just gotta find something to match it. But this one you can like find, you can wear anything with this. A burgundy, mustard. This one's pretty. Ooh. I feel like I'll go good with my outfit. And a green. Let me show y'all. A green. So it came with 4 headbands. It came with the bag to, you know, put the wig in. And it comes with like an caring for the lace wig. Well, not lace wig, because this is not a lace wig. It's a headband wig. Like instructions, the curly hair instructions. It's all caring for the hair, how to care for it. And a wig caps, of course, but I already have some on my head. So let's get into it. Let's try it. And a quick tip for like anyone, what I do, like due to COVID and stuff, I always spray my wigs before I wear them with alcohol, and it doesn't do anything to the wig. It doesn't mess it up or anything. So that's what I always do, just spray it. Ooh, it's soft. So this is how it looks. The color is really pretty though. Man, it's soft. Let's see. Ooh, but I am getting shedding. Ooh, uh-oh. We about to see. We about to try it on though. So what I always do is I put the wig on with the headband already. You know, some people, they usually like stick it on once it's on their head, but I like to do it before and just pull it over my head. And this wig comes with 4 combs, so that's one thing that I really like, that it comes with 4 combs. Because if you guys checked out my last video, that wig came with only 2, and I just feel like it's not enough. It doesn't feel secure enough for me. But when it comes to 4 combs, it definitely feels secure. So I'm gonna put it over my head. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to put the headband over it. Ooh, I'm liking it. And I ain't even like finished yet. So I stick 1 comb here. Y'all see how easy this is? And literally I have my hair just in 2 twists. Actually underneath, let me tell y'all what's underneath the wig cap. It's 2 twists underneath, and I crisscrossed them and Barbie pinned it. So see these 2 combs feel super secure on both ends, like it's not gonna go anywhere, and it feels nice and comfortable. Ooh, okay, hold up, wait on me. New hair, who's this? Wait. This is really pretty. Doesn't have a smell. Just gonna comb it out with my fingers. Y'all already know that I always do that, so we can see like what type of shedding am I getting. It is super soft. I definitely don't be surprised that you get shedding, like a little shedding, because like you see the color, The hair is colored. I'm sure it was bleached. I'm not sure if it was colored or bleached, but I'm sure this was bleached. So any hair that's been processed is definitely gonna shed. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to like straighten a piece, and I'm also gonna wet it so y'all could see like you can do different things with it, so we can see if we can do different things with it, because I never had this hair. This is my first time trying this hair. So for myself, I want to see if I'll be able to straighten it and how does these curls look wet. And don't forget, everything will be in the description box below, the information about this hair, just in case I didn't touch certain points in the video. It's gonna be in the description box. The coupon code is gonna be in the description box. The link for this wig is gonna be in the description box. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get there and let's get our straightener and let's straighten it and like test it. And also, I want to say one thing also. You don't have to leave your hair, your edges out, but I just like to leave my baby hair out. I feel like it looks more natural, but you can literally wear it like this, but I think it looks natural to just leave a little bit of edges out. You don't even have to leave a lot out, but just a little. This is how it would look up in a high ponytail. Can y'all see the tracks? Let me just put the camera up a little so y'all could see the top. So you could do like a half up, half down. But let me put it in a high ponytail. Let's put it in a high messy bun. You know, if you going to the gym, this one's like real messy, but you know, if you go into the gym, just throw it up. Oh, let me stand up so y'all can see the length. So again, this is 18 inches. This is how it looks right here. Let me fix the lighting for y'all. This is how it looks in the back. Okay, so I think the straightener is hot now. And then we'll be able to see once we wet it, like, will it get heat damage? Like, will the curl pattern go back to its state? It's not bone straight. I feel like let's try the third pass and see if it'll. And it's, I have my flat, the heat I have it on is 455. But usually that's how it is with curly hair or wavy hair. It does take a couple of passes for it to, you know, get bone straight like this. It's super soft. Okay, so it's straightened, approved. I feel like it would look good if I straightened the whole thing. Like, let's just imagine. I think it would definitely look good. And then I'm just gonna do a curl with the flat iron just to see. Okay, so it looks good or whatever. So now, like, I'm gonna just let that cool off a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool because before I put the water. So I'm gonna be getting the curling mousse, the coconut curls, the OGX curling mousse. I love this mousse. And I'm gonna be putting it all over the hair. So y'all see the curls did go back. this hair, so it could take heat for one. So you could straighten it if you want to, and the curls are super pretty, and you can like put it up in a ponytail, do it half up half down, and not have to worry about like any tracks or anything showing. It does have shedding, so I'm not gonna lie about that. I did get some shedding. I got some shedding before. I just got some shedding now. It's not shedding like a dog, but it definitely does shed. But I mean, it happens when you have any hair curly or any processed hair. But other than that, yeah, this hair is super soft. But yeah, so do I recommend this hair? Yes, I definitely do recommend it. And I definitely recommend it for beginners because, like I said in my last video and my other videos, it's perfect because y'all see how easy it was to install. Like, that's all you have to do, literally. Like, just throw it on. And if you don't want to leave edges out, just have it like this and you'll still look good. So definitely beginner friendly. And I definitely love the color. Definitely, no doubt about it. I definitely love the color. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and bye.